Welcome back. The new Kimpton Hotel in downtown Sacramento has been open 2 months, but is already facing close to $2,000 worth of fines from the fire department due to a series of false fire alarms. Tonight, we looked into why this is happening and how the city and hotel plan to resolve it. In the past few months, the fire alarms at Sacramento's new Kimpton Sawyer Hotel have gone off 9 times. And each of those times, according to Sacramento's Fire Marshal Jason Lee, they've been false. What were the reasons that the fire alarm went off at the Sawyer?
So a couple of the false alarms prior to the opening was caused by construction and construction activities. That's what we generally see when we have new buildings. And some of these other alarms have been caused because of actual operations within the business, it appears, whether it be in the kitchen area or something of that nature.
Those false alarms, some of which happened before the hotel's opening, don't come for free. In Sacramento, after a building has 3 false alarms in a 12-month period, there's a $240 fine. After a 6th false alarm, there is a $360 fine plus an additional $1,000 penalty. So what does that mean for the Sawyer?
I would say that it's approaching about $2,000 altogether.
Why is it so dangerous in a way to have a building that has a lot of false alarms?
Well, we are trying to really reduce the number of false alarms because every time we have one of our apparatus goes to a call for service, especially in a high-rise building, we send 5 units to that false alarm, which equates to about 17 firefighters. And when we start going out to these alarms and they're false, we're taking away resources from actual emergencies.
Since 2012, the Sacramento Fire Department has been working to reduce the number of false alarms across the city. Last year, they responded to 3,000.
About 10 years ago, we responded about 4,700 false alarms.
Oh, wow.
So we have seen a dramatic drop, but for this particular building, we have seen a little bit uptake in false alarms.
Lee says the Sawyer has been cooperative and is working with the fire department to resolve the issue. We spoke to the general manager of the Kimpton Sawyer Hotel. He said that most of the false alarms came from the construction around the new hotel, but that there were also some false alarms in their kitchen. They have since worked to make adjustments to their fire alarm system, and they have not had any false alarms since December 9th. When asked if they plan to pay the fines, the hotel said they will, quote, certainly do whatever we need to do. The fire department says another reason these false alarms can be dangerous is that it can lead to sort of a boy who cries wolf scenario where people don't react to the alarm thinking it's likely false. In this situation, as we mentioned, the alarms were due to construction in the building and an overly sensitive kitchen alarm. The hotel believes they have made all the adjustments and that the issue has been resolved.